Lake Constance. It's the third largest lake in Central Europe, located at the intersection of Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. It is a major tourist destination, known for its stunning landscapes, historic towns, and mild climate that supports vineyards, orchards, and even subtropical plants. The lake covers about 536 square kilometers and stretches over 60 kilometers in length. One of the most popular attractions is Mainau Island, often called the Flower Island, where visitors can explore lush botanical gardens, a Baroque palace, and a butterfly house. Another favorite is the town of Bregenz in Austria, famous for its summer Bregenzer Festspiele, a large opera festival performed on a floating stage in the lake. Meersburg, on the German shore, charms tourists with its old castle, wine terraces, and medieval streets. Lindau, located on a small island, features a harbor with a lighthouse and breathtaking views of the Alps. The entire lake is surrounded by the Bodensee Radweg, a 260-kilometer bike path that loops through all three countries, passing picturesque villages and lakeside cafes. Visitors can also take scenic ferry rides between towns or even a Zeppelin airship flight from Friedrichshafen for a unique aerial view. Besides tourism, Lake Constance plays an important ecological role. It was formed by glaciers during the last ice age and today provides drinking water for over 4 million people. The region is rich in biodiversity, with more than 300 bird species migrating through the area and a number of nature reserves like the Vulmatinga reed. Culturally, the lake has a deep historical background. Konstanz hosted the Council of Constance in the early 15th century, which helped end a major religious split in Europe. Reichenau Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, contains ancient monasteries and churches that reflect the region's medieval heritage. Prehistoric stilt house settlements found along the lake's edge are also part of a transnational UNESCO listing. Whether you're drawn by nature, history, or relaxation, Lake Constance offers a rare mix of everything, from hiking mountain trails and swimming in clear waters to exploring centuries-old towns and enjoying local wine with views over the Alps.